I'm out at a service call for this train gas package unit. The complaint is that the unit is being really noisy. They can hear a noise from down below. After getting up here, I can pretty quickly tell it's from this belt. You can hear it pretty good in the video. I'm gonna go ahead and kill power here and kind of show you what is causing this. This one's a pretty quick, simple deal. But you can see on this belt, which might be kind of hard to see, but has that sheen to it right here. When it gets like that, basically you're just due for a new belt. This is an AX belt, which basically gets you these grooves. These usually have a lot better longevity. They last a lot longer. The other one would be like a typical A belt that you see a lot on this particular unit. Both of those would work on this just fine, but just these AX belts get a lot more use out of them. Some of the things you're always looking for is like cracks, fraying. Sometimes you'll see like a lot of rubber debris all over the unit in here, and that's usually from the sheave and the pulley being out of alignment. If they're kind of cockeyed a little bit, stuff like that will get uneven wear. So a lot of times you can see that. And once you kind of see this, obviously it's a good time to write up a new one. Typically, if we have someone under a maintenance contract, we will have a spare, like a brand new spare, like tucked off to the side over here. This one doesn't have that, so when I write this up, I'll be writing up for 2 belts basically. One will be replaced and the other one will be left in the unit for a spare. We usually try to do that on every contract, just for that freak thing where a belt snaps or anything like that. If you're coming out, you can get them up and going very, very quickly with a new belt. Some of the adjustment for belt tension here is if the belt tension is pretty good on this one overall, but you can adjust it with this adjustment bolt right here. Basically, you just can loosen it, and it's actually on a wheel that will rotate, and it can push the motor over or push it looser, whatever you need to kind of get that tension. But yeah, this was a pretty easy service call for the noise complaint. Like I said, it'll be a new belt, and I'll get a spare in here, and then we should be up and good with this as far as the noise goes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.